Let's take a look at the chart action for COTI. Alright, so in this video, we're going to take a look at the technical analysis for COTI, and in the later part, I'm going to tell you why I started watching it. I'm really just trying to trade it and see if I can make some good trades on it. Let's see if we can play with some house money on this. But what I'm looking at right now is we have resistance right here, support right here, and support right here. I'm watching this triangle pattern, something like that. We're bouncing in between these two trend lines, and I'm waiting for a breakout to the upside or to the downside. What I don't really like is that we had this top right here, and then we came back up and we couldn't break that previous top. So it looks like we're pretty much in kind of like a double top, and that is actually a bearish pattern, but it's not a double top until we break this previous support right here. I think if we break this support, we'll be targeting from the top to the bottom of this little pattern, drag that to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of approximately 0.29. You could also look at this previous support level right here. This is sitting at around 0.29 as well. Like I said, we still have support right here and support right here. It looks like we still have an uptrend going up like that. We haven't broke that going to the downside yet. So I think if we can continue this uptrend and break it to the upside, maybe we could target from the top to the bottom of this triangle, drag that to the breakout. I'm looking at a target of approximately 0.82. I think in general though, you're going to want to be careful about this because we're at all-time highs. We got a double top going on. The volume's kind of going lower. I'm not 100% sure. We might want to look for a retracement before we jump in, but I'm looking at these previous support levels for limit orders, I think, and these are sitting at, like I said, 0.48 around there, and this level is around 0.28. Okay, so I wanted to talk about why I started watching this or started looking at this. I actually stumbled upon this on a YouTube channel that talks about Cardano a lot, called Decentralized Fusion. And so I saw that, and he was talking about this NFT game, and that's also what I've been looking for, is some NFT games, or just games in general that use NFTs or blockchain games. So if you actually know any other blockchain games, leave them in the comments. But if you go to the COTI website over here, you can see that there's a link, COTI NFT new. So we'll click on that, and it's actually the COTI NFT game. And this is actually why I kind of was interested in this. And so if you hold 1,000 COTI in your wallet, I think you're entered into drawings and you can win NFTs. So either that, or you have 1,000 coins in your wallet and you get an NFT every so often or something like that, and some NFTs are worth more than others, and I think you can trade and buy and sell them on another market. Let's see, on Superfarm, another platform called Superfarm. I'm gonna have to check out this Superfarm. But yeah, so that's why I kind of was checking out this coin. I kind of want to trade it. It'd be cool to at least maybe accumulate some, or maybe try to trade and play on some of the house money like I was talking about. So you need 1,000 COTI in your wallet, and you're gonna use the Viper wallet, which is the COTI wallet. So I thought that this looked kind of cool. It looked pretty cool if you could get some NFTs and then trade them and stuff like that. Thought that was pretty interesting. And then plus, COTI has a lot to do with Cardano and what's gonna be coming out with that. And you're going to want to check out this video right here. This guy explains COTI and some of the other projects that are coming out for the Cardano ecosystem, and it seems pretty cool. And so I think Cardano is still in some of like a earlier stage, so it might be worth some of this stuff might be worth checking out, I think.